Did you know that Antigua and Barbuda is an archipelago of 365 islands located in the Caribbean Sea? It is located about 600 miles northeast of Venezuela and 170 miles east of Puerto Rico. The largest island in Antigua and Barbuda is Antigua, which is home to the capital city of St. John's. Other notable islands include Barbuda, Redonda, and Great Bird Island. The highest point in Antigua and Barbuda is Boggy Peak, which is 402 meters, 1,322 feet, tall. Did you know that the Bahamas is an archipelago of over 700 islands located in the Atlantic Ocean? It is located about 50 miles southeast of Florida and 680 miles northeast of Cuba. The largest island in the Bahamas is New Providence, which is home to the capital city of Nassau. Other notable islands include Grand Bahama, Andros, and Eleuthera. The highest point in the Bahamas is Mount Alvernia, which is 63 meters, 207 feet, tall. Did you know that Barbados is an island country located in the southeastern Caribbean Sea? It is situated about 100 miles, 160 kilometers, east of St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Barbados is a relatively small island, with an area of 430 square kilometers, 166 square miles. The highest point is Mount Hillaby, which is 340 meters, 1,115 feet, tall. Did you know that Belize is a small country located in Central America? It is bordered by Mexico to the north, Guatemala to the west and south, and the Caribbean Sea to the east. Belize is a relatively flat country, with the exception of the Maya Mountains in the south. The highest point is Doyle's Delight, which is 1,124 meters, 3,688 feet, tall. Belize is also home to the Belize Barrier Reef, the second largest barrier reef in the world. Did you know that Canada is the second largest country in the world by land area? It is located in North America, bordered by the United States to the south, Alaska to the northwest, and the Arctic Ocean to the north. Canada has a diverse landscape, ranging from mountains and glaciers in the west to forests and lakes in the east. The highest point is Mount Logan, which is 5,959 meters, 19,551 feet, tall. Canada is also home to the Great Lakes, which are the largest group of freshwater lakes in the world. Did you know that Dominica is a beautiful island nation located in the Caribbean Sea? It is known as the Nature Island of the Caribbean due to its lush rainforests, cascading waterfalls, and pristine beaches. Dominica is bordered by the French islands of Guadeloupe and Martinique to the north and south, respectively. Dominica is a relatively small island, with an area of 750 square kilometers, 290 square miles. The highest point is Morne Diablo-Tins, which is 1,447 meters, 4,747 feet, tall. Dominica is also home to several rivers and lakes, including the Leia River and Lake Boiling. Did you know that Grenada is a beautiful island nation located in the Caribbean Sea? It is known as the Spice Isle of the Caribbean due to its abundance of spices, including nutmeg, cloves, and cinnamon. Grenada is bordered by St. Vincent and the Grenadines to the north and Trinidad and Tobago to the south. Grenada is a relatively small island, with an area of 344 square kilometers, 133 square miles. The highest point is Mount St. Catherine, which is 840 meters, 2,756 feet, tall. Grenada is also home to several rivers and lakes, including the Balthazar River and Grand Etang Lake. Did you know that Guyana is a country located in northeastern South America? It is bordered by Venezuela to the north, Brazil to the south and east, and Suriname to the west. Guyana also includes the Essequibo region, a disputed territory claimed by Venezuela. Guyana has a diverse landscape, with mountains, rainforests, and savannas. The highest point is Roraima, which is 2,875 meters, 9,433 feet, tall. Guyana is also home to the Guyana Highlands, a region of dense rainforest that is home to a variety of plants and animals, including jaguars, tapirs, and macaws. Did you know that Jamaica is a beautiful island nation located in the Caribbean Sea? It is known as the birthplace of reggae and is home to some of the world's most famous beaches. Jamaica is bordered by Cuba to the north and Haiti to the east. Jamaica is a mountainous island, with the Blue Mountains running through the center of the country. The highest point is Blue Mountain Peak, which is 2,256 meters, 7,402 feet, tall. Jamaica is also home to several rivers and waterfalls, including the Black River and Dunn's River Falls. Did you know that St. Kitts and Nevis is a beautiful island nation located in the Caribbean Sea? It is known as the mother colony of the West Indies and is home to the oldest British fort in the Caribbean, Brimstone Hill Fortress. St. Kitts and Nevis is bordered by the French island of St. Martin to the north and Antigua and Barbuda to the south. St. Kitts and Nevis is a relatively small country, with a total area of 261 square kilometers, 101 square miles. The highest point is Mount Llanwiga, which is 1,156 meters, 3,793 feet, tall. St. Kitts and Nevis is also home to several rivers and lakes, including the Wingfield River and Great Salt Pond. Did you know that St. Lucia is a beautiful island nation located in the Caribbean Sea? It is known as the Pearl of the Antilles and is home to the Piton Mountains, two volcanic peaks that are iconic landmarks of the island. St. Lucia is bordered by Martinique to the north and St. Vincent and the Grenadines to the south. St. Lucia is a relatively small island, with a total area of 616 square kilometers, 238 square miles. The highest point is Mount Guyme, which is 959 meters, 3,146 feet, tall. St. Lucia is also home to several rivers and waterfalls, including the Roseau River and Diamond Falls. Did you know that St. Vincent and the Grenadines is a beautiful island nation located in the Caribbean Sea? It is known as the Land of the Blessed and is home to over 30 islands, including the main island of St. Vincent and the Grenadines, which are known for their stunning beaches and lush rainforests. St. Vincent and the Grenadines is bordered by St. Lucia to the north and Grenada to the south. St. Vincent and the Grenadines is a relatively small country, with a total area of 389 square kilometers, 150 square miles. The highest point is La Soufriere, an active volcano that is 1,234 meters, 4,052 feet, tall. St. Vincent and the Grenadines is also home to several rivers and waterfalls, including the Rebecca River and Darkview Falls. Did you know that Trinidad and Tobago is a beautiful island nation located in the Caribbean Sea? It is known as the Land of the Hummingbird and is home to over 350 species of birds, including the iconic ruby topaz hummingbird. Trinidad and Tobago is bordered by Venezuela to the south and Grenada to the northwest. Trinidad and Tobago is a relatively small country, with a total area of 5,128 square kilometers, 1,980 square miles. The highest point is Cerro del Aripo, which is 940 meters, 3,084 feet, tall. Trinidad and Tobago is also home to several rivers and waterfalls, including the Caroni River and Aripo Falls. Did you know that the United States of America is the third largest country in the world by land area, and the fourth largest country in the world by total area? It is located in North America, and is bordered by Canada to the north, Mexico to the south, and the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans to the east and west, respectively. The United States has a diverse landscape, with mountains, deserts, forests, and plains. The highest point is Denali, formerly Mount McKinley, which is 6,190 meters, 20,310 feet, tall. The lowest point is Death Valley, which is 86 meters, 282 feet, below sea level. The United States is also home to several large rivers, including the Mississippi River, the Missouri River, and the Rio Grande,